I'm Arturito Yosua from the Technology and Information System Engineering class with the name 148230022. This time I will review the mouse that I bought a few days ago. Okay, this mouse that I bought. The brand of this mouse is Vantage Store V2. This mouse has several features for work and gaming purpose because this mouse is equipped with several buttons that have several functions that can be set through the software that this device has. Okay, in order to be able to access the function on the mouse, first thing we have to do is download the software mouse. Okay, first we open the website or browser. We search Vantage software. Okay, we search the name of software mouse. Okay, this is, and we can download the software. Okay, after download, we can try to install the application software. We open file, download, and then this file we can try to install. We open store people, run anyway. Okay, next, next. Okay, we can install the software. Okay, finish. Okay, this is the software mouse. Okay, wait. Okay, this application has a variety of features that are on and can be activated if we set it up. Okay, let's try all the function available on this mouse software. The first, here is a left click that works as it should, and there are settings on the right click. Then there are still some unusual buttons found on this mouse. Because this is a gaming mouse, there are several important button parts and can be used in game and work. Okay, on this mouse, there is the first button is a DPI button. Is DPI button. Is can adjust the sensitivity of the cursor. We only need to press in this button and will automatically enter the setting on this mouse. Okay, try to enter and this mouse automatically setting the DPI sensitivity mouse. This mouse will be set on this until the number of this. At the highest DPI sensitivity, the cursor will have very fast sensitivity. Okay, this is the sensitivity and click again and then the sensitivity is changed. Okay, in the right Here we can apply, and sensitivity is more highest. Okay. On the second button, here is a button that can adjust the RGB light on this mouse, because in the current trends gaming device must be equipped with RGB light, which make their appearance even more attractive. Okay, this is RGB light. You can adjust and change the light. Okay, or we can click on this button to change the light RGB. Okay, in this review, that's all I can say. Say thank you and see you again.